In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under public finance. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic classification of tax, and we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a greater burden on the taxes on essential goods is borne by the newly recruitment workers, low income group, higher income group, contract workers. The right answer is option B, lower income group. Okay, next question is this one. It says the tax imposed on goods produced within the country is, we have sales tax, profit tax, we have a capital gain tax, and excise tax. The right answer is option D, an excise tax. Very, very important, guys. Okay, next question is this one. It says the tax levied on goods and services at each stage of production is VAT. Option D, value added tax. Okay, next question is this one. It says all indirect taxes tend to be regressive. Option D. Okay, guys, take notes of these questions, they are very, very important. Next question is one. It says taxes which are levied on a person's expenditure are known as, we have pool tax, purchase tax, sales tax, direct tax. The right answer is option C, sales tax. Okay, next question is this one. It says which of the following is not an indirect tax? We have company tax, profit tax, sales tax, income tax. The right answer is option D, income tax. So this is not an indirect tax. Next question is this one. It says a tax on land will ultimately fall partly on users and owners, partly on agents and users, entirely on users, entirely on owners. The right answer is option D, entirely on owners. Next question is this one. It says excise duty is levied on, we have luxury goods, the total population, the working population, local products. The right answer is option D, local products. Okay, very, very important. Next question is this one. It says which of the following yields more revenue to Nigeria? We have direct tax, value added tax, royalties, indirect tax. The right answer is option B, value added tax. That's the VAT. Next question is this one. It says which of the following is not a reason for taxation? We have promotion of national debt, prevention of dumping, generation of revenue, promotion of economic growth and development. The exception here is option A, promotion of national debt. Next question is this one. It says when an indirect tax is levied on the producer of a good, the burden on the consumer will demand largely on the elasticity of demand and supply of the commodity, availability of substitutes for the commodity, elasticity of demand for the good, proportion of the consumer's income spent on the good. The right answer is option C, elasticity of demand for the good. Okay, next question is this one. It says the curve III represents, so this is regressive tax. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. So guys, before I attend this question, if you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel for more of these videos. Really appreciate this. So this question says personal income tax as a source of government revenue is increased when the tax system is proportional, tax rate is raised, retirement age is reduced, tax base is contracted. The right answer is option B, when tax rate is raised. Okay, next question is this one. It says which of these is a direct tax? We have purchase tax, personal income tax, import duties, export duties. The right answer is option B, personal income tax. Okay, very important. Next question is this one. It says the tax imposed on goods produced within the country is excise tax. Okay, option A, an excise tax. Next question is this one. It says which of the following is an indirect tax? So a typical example of an indirect tax is your sales tax. Okay, option C. So that's the answer to this question. The next repeated question is this one. It says an example of indirect tax is, I think we already attempted a similar question. Sales tax, option A is the right answer here. Okay, be able to differentiate between direct tax and indirect tax. An example of a direct tax is income tax, whereas an example of an indirect tax is sales tax. Okay, next question is this one. It says taxes which are levied on a person's expenditure are known as sales tax. Option B. Next question is this one. It says a form of tax that is midly progressive and regressive is what? We have proportional tax, progressive tax, digressive tax, regressive tax. The right answer is option C, digressive tax. Last question before we end this video is this one. It says an ad valorem tax is imposed on, we have import special commodities, the value of a commodity. We have exports. So the right answer is option C, which is the the value of a commodity. So guys, this basically can do problems involving classification of tasks for your JAMB economics. We practice with 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic in public finance. I hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, once more ensure that you're subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Alright, also ensure a part of the membership by clicking the join button and getting premium information. I'll help you to excel in your exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.